Hi, today we will have a quick look into the micro USB cable from Romoss. This cable is suitable for any electronic device which has the micro USB port. Durable design, high-speed data sync, 2.1A quick charging are the prominent features of this cable. Now let's have a look. Inside the box, you will get a 1 meter long cable. It has a metal cover and nylon braided design. As you can see here, I am connecting the cable to my Samsung fast charger. The fast charging is working perfectly as shown. Nonetheless, this cable is weighed at only 21 grams. That's all for this quick look into the Romoss micro USB cable. Subscribe for more upcoming reviews.